Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about this amazing package that I came across after seeing this post by Michael. He's an amazing Flutter developer and you can check his page. He also had a talk on recently a few days ago on FlutterCon UE. So what does this package do? So for those who have been working with images before in Flutter, especially asset images, you notice that when you're working with them, you have to define the actual part of that image in order to display it as an asset image. So for this package, what this package does, it helps you fix in case the typo issue that often occurs when dealing with asset images. First thing, let me illustrate to you how this typo issue often occurs and how that package helps fix it. So the first thing we need to do, I need to move an image to the asset folder. Let me see if I have an image. So I have this image that serves also as my background. What is this? So take it, copy it to see projects, so Flutter tutorials. Then let me create a new folder called assets. Create that. Then inside it, let me create an images folder to hold images. Okay, so that image is there. When you go inside the asset, you can find this image here. So another thing you need to do, you have to set up the assets part here. Yeah, so we need to set the path of this image here below it. Assets. Yeah, stroke images, and you add that stroke at the end to include all images that are found here. Now when you have this, let me show you inside main. So at the center, let's put, yeah. Also you need to make sure you have updated pub spec. So run pub, not pub upgrade, but pub get this one, which will get this package. Okay, well that runs, let's just use image.assets. So have that. Then so you have an error here. I think it's because of this constant. Then we put so it is assets stroke images, then warp.png, which this should work. Okay, there is an error. Let me see what is it. Yeah, this one is still taking too long. So we need to refresh this site. Okay, if so the image is here. Now one of the common issue we get with typo, let's say the image is complicated or wrong or long, oftentimes you might include a word that does not exist. So okay, so I got an exception here. Let me just disable this first so that you can see the exact error that does not it does not block the application from running. Now that we have that, you'll notice that the image is not shown clearly, and you have to write the exact name, so the path and the name of the image, so that it can be displayed here. And that is where this package comes to save the day. So it's called Flutter Gen, and the first thing you need to do is first of all set it up. So the installation, you go to dev dependency, then add these ones. So go back to pubspec.yaml, dev dependency, under it you should add this. So this one should go to this side, then run pub-get to get that package. Okay, so the package was successfully added. Okay, so the next part, once it hasn't been installed, the next part is to build it. That means that you have to make sure that the asset folder has been added here. So we run, copy that command, then run this. So it is building. Let me see how long it will take. 4.5 seconds. And let's see. Yeah, I think everything is now set up correctly. So let's test it out inside main. We have our image. So we got this. Then let's import it. Import gen stroke assets. Then yeah. So this is the folder that was generated. Then we go back here inside the center. Oh, you can see also Copilot autocomplete. I think it knows what to do next, but let's try it ourselves. Assets dot images dot WAP. Yeah, because WAP is the name of the exact image that you are referring to. Then it's an image. Yeah, so this should work. So let's run again and see the result. Okay, so now we have everything running, and so here it is. Let me just format this document. Okay, so yeah, so the child is an image, then it's been pointed at for the exact image that we are using initially. So this one will help you fix the typo issues that oftentimes we come across when dealing with assets. And the good thing also found in the documentation is that it also works with fonts, and I think a couple of things. Let me see here. Okay, wait. Yeah, okay, so here, okay, so the assets there, we have images with JPEG, SVG. Also we have live animations also will work. So JSON file, I think it's everything. Videos also will also work. So anything that deals with an asset, go to pubdev and find this package, Flutter gen. It will help you fix the typo issue. And once you're done, find this post and give this person a like.